The No Filter Tour is a European North American concert tour by the Rolling Stones which began on 9 September 2017 in Hamburg, Germany. The tour was scheduled to conclude in 2020 but had to be postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The tour was announced to resume in September 2021. A few weeks after that announcement, the Stones announced that drummer Charlie Watts underwent an unspecified medical procedure and that he would likely be unable to join the tour due to a lengthy recovery. Watts ultimately died on 24 August 2021. Longtime Stones associate Steve Jordan will fill in as drummer for the 2021 dates. The No Filter Tour was announced on 9 May 2017, with 14 shows in 12 different venues across Europe in September and October of the same year. On 26 February 2018, 14 new dates were added throughout Europe and the UK. With an overall attendance of 1,506,259 fans grossing $237.8 million, the tour was one of the most commercially successful concert tours of 2017 and 2018. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.